Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that feels like it's ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's edging closer to reality every day. Flying cars. Yep, you heard that right, flying cars. Let's talk about whether these vehicles are finally ready to take off. So, let's start with the basics. The concept of flying cars has been around for decades, inspiring everything from the Jetsons to Back to the Future. But until now, it's mostly been a pipe dream. Recently, though, there have been some major advancements that are turning those dreams into tangible prototypes. One of the front runners in this space is a company called Aeromobile. They've developed a hybrid vehicle that transitions from road to air in just a few minutes. Imagine driving to the edge of the city, extending the wings and taking off. It's like something out of a James Bond movie. Another player is Uber Elevate. Uber has been working on an aerial ride-sharing service that could revolutionize urban transport. They aim to have flying taxis in major cities within the next few years. Think about that for a second, calling a flying taxi from your phone. It's mind-blowing, but let's get real for a moment. There are some significant hurdles to overcome before flying cars become an everyday reality. For one, there's the issue of infrastructure. We'll need new regulations, air traffic control systems, and dedicated landing zones. And then there's the technology. Batteries need to be lighter and more powerful, and safety systems need to be fail-proof. However, there is progress. Companies like Lilium and Joby Aviation are working on fully electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. These aren't just prototypes, they're conducting test flights and getting serious investment from big names like Toyota and Intel. It's not just a dream anymore, it's a burgeoning industry, and let's not forget the environmental angle. Flying cars could potentially reduce traffic congestion and cut down emissions if they run on clean energy. This could be a game changer for cities struggling with pollution and overpopulation. Okay, so here's the million-dollar question. When can we expect to see flying cars in our everyday lives? Experts suggest that we might start seeing limited commercial use by the early 2030s. That's not too far off, but widespread adoption will likely take another decade or so. So, are flying cars finally taking off? The answer is yes, but there's still a long runway ahead. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast, and I can't wait to see how this unfolds. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.